What's the problem with belly fat? I'm Susan Bowerman, registered dietitian, and sometimes people complain to me about their belly fat because they don't like the way it looks. But there are other reasons why too much belly fat can be a problem. First of all, what is belly fat? Well, it's the fat that lies around your midsection. Sometimes it's called abdominal fat. Sometimes it's called visceral fat because it's the fat that lies around your viscera, your internal organs. It's different from the fat that lies just underneath your skin, and everyone has some. It's important to have some visceral fat because that fat acts as padding. It protects your internal organs. The problem is when you have too much. If you have too much visceral fat, it releases chemicals and hormones, substances into your bloodstream that can have negative effects on your health. And this is different from the fat that you have on your hips and on your thighs, which isn't considered to be dangerous to your health. Now, how do you know if you have it? The easiest way to tell is just looking at your body. If your waist is larger than your hips, chances are you've probably got a little bit too much visceral fat or belly fat. How do you get rid of it? Diet and exercise, we always say, is the best way to lose weight. And the nice thing about belly fat, if there's a nice thing about it, is it's much easier to lose than the fat that accumulates on your hips and on your thighs.